Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk how to customize and create a website on Squarespace for digital music and sound effects business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So if the topic isn't here, you can select just a simple, you can select all templates. Okay, the type, you can select services and online store. It might be also an online store. Here you can start with one of these templates here, and also you can build your own templates. So let's get started. So here you can type your business name, type any name you want for your business. Here you can build your homepage. So build your homepage section by section, and then as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, wait a few seconds. The first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive to attract more people and more customers. So you can do anything to make your site looks better. All the sections must be an attractive section: the services section, about section, the social section, and the forms and the footer. So that's it. Now let's move on. Add page to your site. Choose the color. Choose any color you like. Any color match with your business. And also the fonts, you can choose any font you like. In on any font you see it's much better. And now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. Here you can choose if you want to continue and describe something about your website, add the details about your website and your products, and choose the right style. Or if you want to just skip this, I'm gonna skip this. Okay, now wait a few seconds. So this is wait a few seconds. So this is your home page right now. You can edit it from here. So click here, edit, and the first thing here you can change the text here. Introduce your brand. So you can introduce your site. You can type anything to make it attractive. For example, welcome to our site. Welcome to our site for digital music. For digital music and sound effects. Okay, and the label here you can change it. Just click here and you can select. You can change the text here. For example, get started. Also, you can design the label. Okay. Now let's move on to the section. So here you can change the row count, the gap, and the row count, and the fill screen, the height, and the alignment. So in the background you can select if you want just a simple art, and also you can add image as a background. First delete this and add another one. Click here and select from library. Go here in the premier image and search uh, digital music and sound effects. Okay, now search on it. Okay, let's search on free image. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. This is just for example. Of course you can choose anything you like. This is your website, you can do anything. You see, it's much better than this. uh, so that's it. Now let's move on to the site header. You can change here the site title, and you can upload the file. The logo image, you can upload it as a file or select from library, and also the mobile logo image, you can upload it. You can change the elements, customize the element section, the button and the social links, and the icon style. If you want to add something new in your homepage, just click here add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. And now if you want to add something in your section, you can add image or video, whatever you like. That's it. Now let's move on to the next. So here you can change the wave. You can customize the wave intensity, the wave width, and the text size. Like this, it's much better. Now let's move on to the next. So here first you have to delete this. Wait a few minutes. So delete this, add another one. Okay, digital music and sound effects. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Okay, here the text, here you can also change it. You can talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made, what make them unique. So the first thing here, you can change the paragraphs to heading 4, and now also you can change the text and type anything here about your products. So in the background here, you can select just a simple art. You don't have to add image as a background, just a simple art. It's much better, like this. And here also just a simple art. Tell people about who you are, your origin, your process, or your inspirations. And here follow us on social, and you can change here the social links and add your social link, your Instagram or whatever. Here you can first delete this and add a map instead of this image. So here you can add your address and your business name, the city and the state and the country, and also you can change the design of your map. So in the background also just a simple art. That's it. Now let's move on to the last section, the footer section. So click here and add just a simple art. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for digital music and sound effects business, easy and quick. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.